Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Maulana. You can call me Fadil. Right here, I want to explain my experience when we talk by Mr. Patria Handung. In my opinion, Mr. Patria class feel relaxed and so cool. Although Mr. Patria class is online, but I feel like I'm in the classroom. So I will rate 8 from 10 for this subject. And next, why learning English is important? I think learning English is very important because English is international language, and so we should learning English. Beside that, we also have to be a bright sense in English. And I would like find ways to make English part of my everyday life at home. For example, I like reading news, football. And next to how to learn English practically. I think one, listening to music that you like continuously and trying to understand the lyric by read in on Google. And last, watching your favorite film or series like Avenger or your own choice.
Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Naufal Nuruski. You can call me Naufal. In here, I will share my experience during the class with Mr. Patria Anunjaya. Mr. Patria teach English in semester 2 with a method that I don't know the name, but is very interesting. The class feels relaxed, even though there are several assignments to it. And Mr. Patria is very welcome if there are students asking about some question or problem they don't understand. So I give 9 per 10 for this course. Then, in my opinion, learning English is very useful, it's very important, because this is an international language, and later it will be very useful. But if you entering the world of work, English is very useful. Lastly, I think learning English will be easy if you often use or see vocabulary indirectly, like when playing games, watching Netflix, or in otherwise. By doing things you like, and it has something to do with your study, it will be easy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aurita Dwi Prasetyo Budi. I will tell you a little about my experience in learning English. I used to take English lesson to the only thing I understood was the basic of basic English. Now I'm quite fluent in English because I have experience in the game world. First in the game world, I used to play a game called CSGO and Dota 2. Well, there I learned a little English and the internet cafe. It happened that the internet cafe often played Western songs, so I finally asked what the little of this song. This is a little of song, so I'm curious. The next day I went to the internet cafe. I was looking for that song. I listened to it. Well, how come the song was cool? Suddenly I translate the lyric. I don't know how long suddenly it seemed like English is already familiar to my ears. It was when I was a little. In junior high school, I learned a little about grammar and then I learned a lot about English. Now in junior high school, I mastered a bit. Yes, I practiced little by little from the world of game and music. In senior high school, I have one teacher. If the student can do it, he won't continue the material. Well, that's I learned. Yes, you can continue with the next material. Well, that's I respect as a teacher because the teacher is the one who guide so that I learned from him. In my own lecture, yes, I learning English again. Namely, like with the lecture, my Handung Patria. This man explained about the basic, the gradually about job application letter. There was a lot about what the future would be. Namely, how to apply for a job interview and so on. I also said his way of teaching was quite attractive, meaning he gave example beside giving example, he enters famous material. Not long after, the student was recruited to do a 6 month there. I remember how he talked like my teacher when I was in a senior high school. So yes, I quit memory the character that the people who takes thank you for everything. Now, for learning English the fastest, namely, how do you recognize your hobby? That is, if you like playing games, then you learn from the game, translate every word into every sentence. Well, if you like music, listen to where's the song. For example, song like the Beatles, Arctic Monkey, or so on. Besides that, you can also learn from book, but I don't recommend it because it's very boring for me, which isn't boring. That is playing game and listen to music must have be fun. That's all for me. If there more or less, I'm so sorry. Thank you.